Hello all, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm really excited because I have a bunch of new makeup to try out, and some of this, like, I have some stuff from the new Coloupop Wild Nothing collection that launched like a couple weeks ago, but some of them I just were curious and I really wanted to try. So I hope you guys like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and let's just get right into it. So I had this order on Sephora and I used my points and got a mini little primer. This looks so cute. This is the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. But we're just gonna try this out. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, probably like that. I'm gonna put this on one side of my face and see if it mattifies. So definitely I can see a mattifying effect on this side of my face. This definitely isn't pore filling or anything, but you know, I'm just really oily and I've been looking for a product that would really help that, especially now in the summertime. So this might be really nice. All of my stuff is like for the cheeks and for the eyes, so I'm gonna quickly go do my base off camera and I'll be right back to test out some new makeup. Okay, so base and brows are on. I will link all the products that I used on my face and my brows down below. But we have a new product to try out. Well, this isn't like new to the makeup world, but it's new to me, so it counts. This is the Smashbox Cali Contour Palette. I don't know why I wanted this. I just did. It looks so beautiful. You have your contour shade, your bronzer shade, blush, brightening powder, and then like two different highlights. So we are going to be using this today. I don't know, the packaging just got me. I think this is beautiful. It's very heavy. It feels really luxe. The first thing I'm gonna do is take the contour shade and I'm just gonna dip into this. This is actually the Bodyography contour brush. Whoa, a lot of pigment just came off. So I'm just gonna start low. That's very, very pigmented. I'm just gonna like blend this. I'm gonna use a little bit of the contour powder because I want a chiseled look, but not super chiseled. I'm also gonna put like a little bit on my forehead. I don't know why I yelled that, sorry. And just like a teeny tiny bit on the sides of my nose. Wow, I really like this powder. It's not super cool tone, like it's cool tone, but it's not like it looks gray or anything. So I'm just gonna chisel the other side of my face. But yeah, these blend really well. I think it looks super natural. It gives, if you see the difference from this side of my face to this side of my face, it looks very natural and just like I'm naturally chiseled. So I really like the contour powder. Next up, we're going to use the bronzer. I'm just gonna place that right over top of the contour, but I'm just gonna dip into this bronzer shade. Heads up, these are kind of powdery, but I think that that's what makes them so pigmented. But I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and just kind of go over that contour. I'm gonna look so chiseled today. I literally haven't done contour in forever. I've just been using bronzer. So while I have these powders out, I'm just gonna mix the bronzer and the contour powder together on an eyeshadow brush. This is an Alomar brush, and I'm just gonna put this in the crease because we have some single shadows to try out and I just want a nice base first. So we're going to take a break from that palette. It does have a blush in it, but I have another new blush that I really want to try. So this is the Coloupop blush. It's from the Wild Nothing collection. This is the On the Horizon blush. It's very hard to open, but let me just tell you, this blush looks absolutely stunning. It is the most beautiful pinky. It's pink, but it has like a peach undertone to it, so I really am into that. And it has these little gold reflex in it. So I'm just gonna take that on my favorite blush brush, just a really dense. I'm gonna tap some of those glitters off, and we're just gonna stamp this on the apples of the cheeks. Oh wait, I can tell that I'm gonna have to build this up a bit, but I don't really mind that in a blush. This color is looking gorgeous. Alrighty, so I've got the blush built up to a place that I really like, and honestly I think this is so beautiful. It's great for every day. It's great for the summer. I can really see myself using this blush a lot, and it leaves like this beautiful luminosity to my cheek without it being glittery. I really, really, really like that. So we're gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is the lighter highlight. I'm just going to take that on my Sephora highlighting brush and just apply it. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. I really want to try out this brightening powder, this one right here. So I'm just going to take that on a brush. Wow, that looks really pigmented. I'm just going to place that underneath my eye to give it a little bit of a bright effect. Wow, that's really pretty. It looks really smoothing, by the way. So now we have two new like single shadows. So this is the Stila Liquid shadow in the shade Kitten, and let me just tell you, this shade just caught my attention. It just looks so beautiful and bronzy and perfect for every day. Just swipe it all over the lid. That's what caught my attention. I also bought this Coloupop Mojave Moves Jelly Much eyeshadow. Let me just open it to give you the full fantasy. It is stunning. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. All right, I got you guys zoomed in. So the way I like to apply my Stila shadows is just to kind of put it on the lid like that. I'm just going to take this brush and just kind of buff this out on the lid. Alright, so I just kind of put that all over the lid, and I even blended it up a little bit past the crease. I think that that looks absolutely stunning. So now we're going to dip into the Colourpop Jelly Much. I'm literally just going to put my finger right in it. It feels so weird. Oh my gosh. I have used this formula before. Look at how blinding that is. This is a little bit of a learning curve. You like literally don't need a lot. I'm just going to press this right on top of that Stila shadow. Oh my gosh, has my lid ever been more glittery in my entire life? So I think I put it a little too high up, so I'm just going to take that crease brush and just kind of tone it down way up here. I'm obsessed with this combo. While I'm at it, I mean, we're already here, so I think I'm just going to take a little bit of that Colourpop and just like tap this in the inner corner. With the Jelly Much shadows, make sure that you keep this little protective cap. It's going to keep your shadow jelly for longer. So I curled my lashes, and the mascara that we're going to be using today isn't new to me, but it is a recent repurchase of mine. This is the Nars Climax mascara, and I haven't used it in a really long time, so I just wanted to see if it compared to my favorite mascaras now. So I'm just going to quickly pop some of this on. Okay, so I got my mascara on, and I got a little mascara right there, but we're just gonna let that dry and then we'll wipe it off. While we're waiting, I have this cool new product to try out. This is the Colourpop Freckle Pen. Sorry if you can't see it. I don't know how to get it to focus at this point. I just don't. But yeah, this is the shade Soft Brown, and if you can't tell, it's just like a little felt tip little pen, and I'm just gonna use that to apply some faux freckles, which I've never done before, so we shall see. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm just doing like really small little, but I'm also trying to add in some big dots. Okay, so I did them, and they definitely don't look real. If I'm being honest, they really don't look real. They look very fake. I mean, from far away, they look really cute, and like they go with this look because I was trying to do like sun-kissed vibes. It also took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to with this because I was so stressed out about placing them. But yeah, I think I got a good, like, broad, I don't know what I'm trying to say. What am I trying to say? Maybe I should take my powder sponge and just like do that, maybe? Use your translucent powder over top. So the last thing that we have to try out is a bunch of different lip products that I bought. It was National Lipstick Day like a few days ago, and I went a little, just a little crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. So I'm gonna line my lips with this. This lip liner shade is beautiful. It is like the perfect Your Lips but better. I went ahead and filled in my whole lips with this because I really liked the color of it, and I think I just want to put the Luxe Lip Oil on top just for like a natural lip, because that's what I really want for this like natural but glam look we got going on. This is very summer bronzy, if you will, so this smells like creamsicle and I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, this is just like a clear, hydrating, it's not a gloss, it's a lip oil, but it's basically gloss. So I'm just gonna apply this. See, it's just got the most sheerest tint of a nude. So this is the finished look. I love the way that this turned out. Let's do a little rundown of the products. So we have the primer, a little update on the primer. I love the way that it's making my skin look. My skin looks absolutely gorgeous on top of this primer. Well, Smashbox Kylie Contour Palette, I absolutely love. This is probably one of my favorite products that I tried out today. I can really see myself using every single powder in this palette, so I also really love that. The Coloupop blush, I think it looks really pretty. In fact, I might even add just a little bit more. The Freckle pen, not my favorite product ever. I think that my freckles look fine from far away, but really close up they look kind of fake, like really fake. The Stila Liquid Shadow, 10 out of 10 would recommend this shade. Of course, the Stila formula is phenomenal, but this shade in particular is just very versatile. I mean, my eyelid looks blinding. The Colourpop Jelly Matte Shadow, highly recommend. This just added a little extra oomph to my look. I think that this is a great way to take your look from daytime to nighttime. The mascara, where'd it go? Oh. The mascara I really like, and I think it does live up to my other mascaras that I have. It is very soft, but I think it works well with this look. Luxe lip oil I love. I think it's super hydrating and it's definitely worth the price. It's only like $8. And lastly, the lip liner. The lip liner is stunning. I love this color. It's a great Your Lips But Better color, and it's very creamy. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope I got all the products I used. I think I did, but yeah, this was me testing out some new makeup I recently purchased. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I post weekly tutorials there, so if you want to see more from me, just follow me on Insta. So thanks so much for watching. Bye!